Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest apps and gadgets to make your digital life easier. Today, we're tackling how to use the TTV app on Android in 2025. If you're looking to dive into a world of streaming movies and TV shows without the hassle, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First things first, you need to download the TTV app. Since it's not always available on the Google Play Store, head over to the official TTV website or a trusted source. Once you've got the APK file, go to your Android settings, find Security or Privacy, and enable Unknown Sources to allow installations from outside the Play Store. This is a crucial step, so don't skip it. After downloading, tap on the file to install the app. Once it's installed, open TTV and you'll be greeted with a sleek interface. If it's your first time, you might need to grant some permissions like access to storage or the internet. Go ahead and allow those for smooth operation. Now, let's navigate the app. The home screen is your hub, featuring categories like trending shows, movies, and recommendations based on your preferences. Use the search bar at the top to find specific content. Just type in the name of your favorite series or film. To start streaming, select a title. Choose your video quality. Options might include HD or 4K depending on your device, and hit play. TTV often supports subtitles and multiple servers, so if one stream is buffering, switch to another for a better experience. A few quick tips for 2025. Always use a VPN for privacy, especially since streaming rules can vary by region. Keep the app updated for the latest features and bug fixes, and manage your downloads if you're watching offline. If you run into issues like app crashes, try clearing the cache or restarting your device. There you have it. Using TTV on Android is straightforward and fun. We've covered the basics to get you up and running in no time. If this tutorial helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.